At BOSTON Scurb, we utilize advanced automated cutting machines to streamline the production of medical scrubs and uniforms, particularly for large-scale medical scrub wholesale orders. These machines play a critical role in making our production process faster, more accurate, and more efficient. Automated cutting machines can quickly and precisely cut through multiple layers of fabric, shaping them into the exact sizes needed. This significantly boosts production speed compared to manual cutting, making it ideal for handling bulk orders and custom designs alike. Precision is crucial when it comes to medical scrubs. The automated cutting machine uses computer control to ensure each piece is cut to the exact specification. Whether it's a large production run or custom orders, this ensures top-notch quality for every product, every time. Another advantage is minimizing fabric waste. The machine's intelligent fabric placement reduces waste, which helps lower production costs, a huge benefit for medical scrub wholesale operations and also supports sustainability. Automated cutting machines also enable us to quickly adjust to customer demands. Whether we are working on personalized sizes, designs, or large orders for wholesalers, these machines allow us to adapt fast without compromising quality. In addition to speed and precision, automated cutting machines enhance safety on the production line. Workers no longer have to manually cut fabric, which reduces the risk of injury and ensures a smooth, consistent process. At BOSTON Scurb, these machines are a cornerstone of our production, whether we're producing custom uniforms or handling medical scrub wholesale. They help us deliver high-quality, durable garments efficiently and cost-effectively. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest innovations at BOSTON Scurb in custom and wholesale medical garment production.